Hi guys, so today I want to share with you Grit. It's a CRM framework for builders who ship Go plus React. So the battery is included framework for CRMs, the admin dashboards, SaaS products, and internal tools. So it's basically Go performance on the back end and React on the front end. So I'm going to quickly take you through the installation. So I'm going to come to docs. We're gonna look for installation. So the only system requirements you have to run this Grit app is having Go installed on your machine, as well as Node.js, also pnpm. So right now you're on version 1.1. So at this stage, one doesn't need to have Docker running on their machine. So I'm going to take you through that, show you how you can run this Grit app without the need of Docker. So I'm going to quickly go to Git installation. So let me open my Git bash. So we are going to start with checking for Node version. Confirm we have Node.js installed on the machine. Then we want to check for Go version. So once you have those two set up on your machine, so you can proceed with the installation for Git app. So we're going to install the Git CLI. After that, we are going to create our Git app. So the command is grit new, then the name of the application you want to create, so we can call it grit demo app. So it is already installed on our machine. So you're going to go on, and so here you can see what it comes along with. So it comes along with the API docs, Gorham Studio. This is like Prisma Studio. It gives you the instance of your database. So it has simply, this is for security, web app, the free front end, so also the admin front end, Postgres, Redis, and all that. So I'm going to CD into the Grit demo app, and no need of running Docker, so we shall right away install our dependencies with this pnpm install command. So you're going to CD into Grit demo app. I'm going to open it in VS Code. So this is our folder structure. It has these apps, meaning it's a Monorepo. Also the packages are here. So this is where we have our shared types, schemas and all those. So this is the apps folder. So it has the admin. This is where the admin dashboard and all that are set. The API, which is in Go. This is where we keep the content for API and web. This is where all it is. So I'm going to open my terminal. So we're going to start with installing the dependencies. You have to make sure you are in the root directory. So pnpm install. So as it's installing, we are going to go back on our documentation. So there are a few things here you can read through. Also troubleshooting in case you fell into some difficulties while installing. So here they're telling us that we have done this. So in case it fails, then you can try out these commands. They can help you install the dependencies. So cloud only setup. So this is the one that requires no Docker. If you don't want to run Docker, so you're going to follow how the guidelines are in this file. So simply what you're going to need is the neon database string. Redis is going to be used for cache and cache storage. Then storage, you're going to use Cloudflare R2. So the dependencies I've already installed. So this is the mv.cloud.example. Yeah, so all we need is get this database string, add this JWT separate, the Redis string, and R2. But for these, they can come later. They can't fail up to run. So let's get the database string from Neon. So I'm going to create a project. I'm going to call it Great Demo App. I'm going to select Frankfurt, then create project. So I'm going to connect. Come here and choose. This is okay. So connection string, or the one for Next.js. So go on and click in the .env tab, then copy this snippet. After you come back here and we put it here. So we have a connection database URL. So we're going to get the JWT separate. So it's this one. We're going to simply telling us change it to a random string, at least 32 characters. So we're going to run this command of generating a 32 character string. SSL rand base 64 and the number of characters you want. So copy this and put it here. So we're going to go to app stash, get the Redis string, so you can come to app stash. So we'll go on and log in. So create a database, give it a name, let's say read demo app, and choose a region. We use Frankfurt. And choose the free plan. So this is the string that we need, so copy this and we paste it here. Yeah, so I think that's all we need for now. So we're going to come back on our documentation. So the next thing we need to do is start our server and our client. So we're going to come to CLI commands. So this is where we start from. So we're going to have start development servers for your grid project. Use these sub commands to launch your front-end client apps or the Go API server individually. So we're going to use this command, git start client. So in your root directory, simply have to type this command, git start client. So it will go on and start your client app. So you can see I have a few links here. So this is the one for the admin dashboard. It's on localhost 3001. Then we have our web. Our web is on localhost 3000. So we are going to also start our server. It is git start server. So we'll give it some time. So there are a few things we need to do before starting our server. I have to first run the migrations to make our database be in sync. So it is git migrate. So git migrate will go on and run our database. Some reason running database. So go to initialize database, quickly fill to so what I forgot to talk about, after having set up these environment variables here, we're going to copy them all and transfer them into our .env file. So we're simply going to copy all this, come to our env. So this is the one that the backend reads. So we paste it here. So after that, we are going to run again git migrate. So it will go on and add those migrations into our database. So after that, so you can see here models.blog created. So tables are created there are some default tables that come along. So come and see them from here. So you have these user.go, upload.go, helpers.go, and blog.go. So you can go on and remove those you feel you don't want to use. But users.go is more important, and also upload.go to handle upload. After running the git migrate, so we're going to start our API server with git start server. So there is this error I'm waiting. So the error you're getting here, seems it's coming from here. So we're going to go into this. So let's first comment out this. Then we run our server again. Git start server. So at this point we have our server running. Our database is connected successfully. So our backend is running on port 8080. Then our Golem Studio is running on 8080/studio. The API docs, they are on this. So let's go and see. So first of all, we're going to start with localhost 3000. So this is where our front end, our web is this is how this is where it's running. So we also have localhost 3001. So this is the one for the admin. So it's protected. Uh, so you can't click it. You can't directly go to the dashboard. So it first brings you to this Auth page where you can log in and all that. Log in and also sign up. So the other one I want to show you, you can also log in with Google and GitHub. Any provider you want, you can include it in. So the backend is running on 8080. Yeah, so it's well protected. Let me try to go to studio. Yeah, so this is our studio. Maybe let me get the credentials here in our Envy. When you go on Chrome Studio, so you can get this. So this is our username. Then this is probably our password. Yeah, so this is our Chrome Studio. So far we have these tables in our database. So we are all set for our Git app, both the front end and the back end. Yeah, so thank you guys. I'll be sharing with you more about Git.